back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to show you guys how I got these really cute Senegalese twists in less than an hour. I'm not even exaggerating with you guys. I will put exactly how long it took me here on the screen so you guys can see. I'll show you guys how I installed them from start to finish. The only thing that I didn't show you was how I did my braid pattern, and that's because I am not the best braider, but I did try to follow a tutorial from Mary Kay Bella. I absolutely love her, and if you are a fan of crochet styles, you need to follow her. She is so innovative. She does things really quick and easy, and she always has really great tips. I will link her channel down below. I attempted, keyword attempted, to follow her illusion braid pattern. So my first 2 rows right here along the hairline, I did individual braids, and then I just cornrowed the rest. I think I have about 6 or 7 cornrows going straight back. Nothing fancy. Let's go ahead and get right on into today's video, and I will see you guys at the end. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into this braiding pattern. I was inspired by Mary Kay Bella. She does a lot of crochet videos on her channel and I absolutely love her. And she has a few videos on how to make your crochets look individual with this illusion braid pattern. For a detailed tutorial, I will link her video down below. I decided to try this out for the first 2 rows along my hairline and I really liked it, and I'm definitely going to do this in the future. The hair that I'm using is by the brand Authentic, and this video is being sponsored by SamsBeauty. They were kind enough to send me over these twists to do a review for you guys. These are the 2x jumbo Senegalese twists in 24 inches, and I do have it in the color number 4, and I'm going to be using about 4 packs total in my head. I will give you guys a full review on this hair and what I think of it at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. The only tool that I'm going to be using to do this install is the crochet hook. I have about 50 of these. You can order them from SamsBeauty or you can pick them up at your local beauty supply. They are really cheap, very inexpensive. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I installed these twists, and then we'll go ahead and talk about what I thought of them at the end of this video. They were very easy. I did this install in less than 30 minutes. I didn't do anything special with this install. I have some straight back braids after I did the illusion in the front, and I literally just crocheted them in, and it was very easy and simple. So if you guys have any questions about how I do my crochet installs and you might want like a detailed video in the future, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys are enjoying this video so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit that red button down below if you are not already subscribed to my channel, and we'll go ahead and finish out this video and I'll see you guys at the end.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. Your touch from your hands and your body, it hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love.
Here's a close-up of exactly how I'm installing the twist along the illusion to make it look like they are individuals. The position of your crochet hook is important because you want to make sure that the knot from the twist does cover your braid to make it look as natural as possible.
Put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love.
Now that you guys saw how I installed these crochet twists, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a really quick review, kind of like a rundown on what I think about these twists. Now, I really love how bouncy and springy they are. They just kind of move like real hair would. I think I have about 3.5 packs in my head total, and I love that because it really does keep the price down, and because they are jumbo, you're not going to need a lot of twists to complete this style, and I have a big head, so you're going to be okay. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to have too many twists because then it looks just too bulky and it doesn't look very natural, but I really like how this is looking right now. So yeah, my only complaint, and this is kind of like a nitpicky type of thing, is that the hair kind of frays a little bit if you catch it on the crochet hook, which I do all the time. But if you're more precise and not so clumsy, I guess, like I am, you won't have this issue. I have seen a couple other videos of different ladies kind of unraveling the twists and doing them individually, and they do kind of spring right back, which I do like about this. The ends are really nice and tapered. They're very chunky and just juicy twists, and I'm really here for it. Even if you guys are just stuck at home and you don't want to fool with your natural hair, throw some braids in and pop these suckers in, and you will have a really cute hairstyle for at least a few weeks, and you don't have to worry about fooling with your natural hair because, girl, I get it. It's annoying. It ain't the move all the time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it and you want to see more crochet styles from me in the future, let me know if you guys want to see how I braid my natural hair and what I do to protect my hair during these protective styles. I could do that video for you guys as well. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button, turn on those notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!